Good morning everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra, and today I am going to discuss a worksheet on prism. So let's discuss the worksheet. So here is the worksheet on prism. And this is the prism. Light is incident at an angle I. It gets refracted at R1 and then finally R2, and prism angle is A and it emerges through E. So the first question is sum of R1 plus R2 is equals to A, which is angle of prism. Next is we need to find R1. So applying Snell's law on this interface, we have 1 into sin I is equals to mu into sine of R1, which gives sine of R1 is equals to sin I by mu. And from here we can say that R1 is sine inverse of sin I by mu. So in this way we can calculate R1. Now is R2. So R2 can be written as A minus R1 or A minus sine inverse of sin I by mu. Next is deviation in the light ray. So deviation is I plus E minus A. Next is variation of angle of deviation with I. So it's a curve like this. Next is condition for minimum deviation. So for minimum deviation, I is equals to E and R1 is equal to R2 is equal to A by 2. Next is we are being given a graph of deviation versus angle of incidence, and we need to find angle A. So for that we know that deviation is I plus E minus A. So at this point deviation is 70. I and E are 40 and 60. So A comes out to be 30 from this graph. Next is deviation minimum. So minimum deviation will be twice angle corresponding to minimum deviation minus A. Here angle corresponding to minimum deviation is 45. So minimum deviation is 60 degree. Next is we need to find mu. So